Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss about the economics, one topic which is very common in law of demand, and normally also we can see this kind of topic where we see variation in demand. Okay, so when you talk about economics, demand means three condition has to be fulfilled. Okay, desire plus ability to pay plus willingness to pay. These three conditions should be fulfilled. After studying all those concepts, this concept come which is variation in demand. So variation means change in demand, but we will not be telling it as a change in demand because change in demand is the another concept. So variation means how your demand varies. Okay, so now you have to always remember students, under variation in demand, there are two topics: expansion of demand and contraction of demand. Okay, change in demand is the different concept. So in my next video I will be talking about change in demand, but now we will see what is variation in demand. When the demand for a commodity falls or rises due to a change in price alone, and other factors like income, taste, habit, tax, population, etc. remains constant. So now in the whole variation of demand we'll be talking about expansion and contraction, but we will be only talking about with respect to price. So we will only talk about price, how the demand is changing only due to change in price. The other factors like income, taste, habit, tax, population, government policy, etc. remains constant. So in variation in demand there will be only change in price. Due to change in price, how your demand will react. Okay, so now variation in demand, the first topic is expansion. So here I have made this diagram, expansion of demand. Now you can see here, okay, first we have drawn this is downward sloping demand curve. You people must be aware of downward sloping demand curve. This was the price. When the price was OP, only this much quantity was demanded, but when price decreases, demand increases. So now with this we can understand that with the reduction in the price, your demand will increase as per the law of demand, which says higher the price, lower will be the quantity demanded. Lower the price, higher will be the quantity demanded. So expansion of demand refers to rise in quantity demanded due to fall in price only. So by keeping other things constant, demand moves in downward direction. So obviously demand moves in downward direction, but here you will be only talking about price. So only price will be taking into consideration, not all the other factors. Okay, so now in opposite of this is contraction of demand. Again you can see here we have seen how price is reducing, and now here we will see how price is increasing. So here we have seen how demand has increased due to reduction in price, and here we will see how demand has reduced due to increase in price. So contraction of demand refers to a fall in demand due to rise in price alone. Other factors remains constant. Demand curves moves in the upward direction on the same demand curve. So now demand curve is the downward sloping curve only, but here we will be showing that this P line, okay, when the price was OP and the quantity was OQ, but when price increases, okay, when price increases, it is moving towards the upward direction. Again it is moving towards the left side. That means reduction, demand कम हो रहा है, प्राइस बढ़ रहा है, और आपका जो डिमांड बैकवर्ड जा रहा है. Okay, so it is moving towards the upward direction. So from this side, from left side, it is moving towards the upward direction. Here it is coming towards the downward direction. So this is what is nothing but the variation in demand.